What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's another video with Jeff Boy. We're doing things to the R32. It's maybe a familiar scene. Cleaning the roof. We're gonna do another one of these numbers. They did on that one. Get it wrapped black. He got a spicy DMax roof wing that he's gonna slap on there too. So clean it up, and we're gonna figure out wrapping the top.
See if
and
we
then
do
we'll get
better.
the roof wing. And yeah, practice makes perfect. So enjoy the video.
Maybe one day we'll actually get good at this shit.
We what? So one problem that we just she's coming up a little short there, Jeff.
A little bit.
He measured nunts.
Rule number one, measure twice, order once.
Yeah.
I did measure nunts, order twice.
Good job, Jeff.
We still have roof wing though.
We gotta wrap the roof wing, and then he's gonna get more, and then we'll wrap the roof immediately in your time.
Yep.
And
We got wrapped. Hopefully it fit.
yeah,
Time will tell.
looks like it's a bit longer than the last wrap, so we already got it stuck on the back, and we're gonna work it out. Hopefully we'll do better this time. We did it on that, but if we do even just as good, it'll be fine. So it'll be great.
That'll do, donkey.
Made some progress, made some mistakes,
Definitely.
but it's coming together okay. Jeff got this corner all buttoned up. We had to do a little seam, but it's okay. And then he's lining up the top right now, getting rid of some wrinkles, and we got to figure out this whole corner situation and all the corners, and it's gonna look sick though. Like, oh yeah, it's gonna look sick.
This cut line on the windshield, 2 cuts.
Looks good. So after much time and effort, Jeffrey,
Paint your car.
yeah,
Don't do this.
we're not fans of wrap, but it's done, and it actually looks really fucking good. Oh yeah, Jeff also got a body kit and got it painted already.
Like a smart man, use paint.
Yes, true. But you know, got a BN style kit. It does okay from a distance. Got a DMax roof wing that actually we used some of the old wrap from the fuck up before. We got that wrapped previously. And now, it actually that fucks pretty hard, bro. I didn't know that was good. Black top, drop top, making all the paint drop. So, I guess it's gonna do it for this video. Yeah?
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah, maybe who knows? Maybe we'll get some shots in the sun.
Hello.
Okay, well that's gonna do it for this video. So hopefully you enjoyed the process of bullshittery. Jeffrey did not. I kinda did not. I didn't do much.
He watched a lot.
He worked the corners. He's good at working the corners. And just look at it. Look at it from like back here. It looked great, doesn't it?
Same, like I did the corners on that
Yes.
one.
So now we black roof boys. Saucy. So, appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to see all the bullshittery that we're up to. And make sure to get outside and go play in traffic. Bye.